So this problem is equal to y log base 3 of 28. Problem from a log form into an exponent that log is equal to y converts into exponential form by writing that as b to the power of y. To make this has a base of 27, so 27 to the power of x is equal to 4, to the power of y is equal to 7. So now notice that 27 and 9 are both multiples of 3. We can rewrite 27 as 3 cubed, so that would be 3 cubed to the power of x is equal to 4. And we can rewrite 9 as 3 squared, so that would be 3 squared to the power of y is equal to 7. Next we can use the formula that an exponent raised to another exponent needs to multiply. So that is 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 4, and 3 to the power of 2y is equal to 7. So now that I've gotten both of my exponential forms as a base of 3, I can convert that back to a log form to figure out what log base 3 of 28 is. So I can write this as log with a base of 3. Log base 3 of 4 is equal to 3x. And then I can write log base 3 of 7 is equal to 2y. Okay, so next I'm trying to get it to a form of log base 3 of 28. So let me start by adding my two logs together. If I add my log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 27, there's a rule that says if you add two logs together, you can combine it into the same log by multiplying what's in the logs. So that we can write that as log base 3 of 4 times 7 is 28. So since log base 3 of 4, that's equal to 3x, and log base 3 of 27, that's equal to 2y, the log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 7 is also equal to 3x plus 2y. And since we can simplify log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 7 to log base 3 of 28, that would also be equal to the sum of 3x plus 2y. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was and you'd like to see more video solutions like this, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to notify you of any videos that I make in the future. Thanks.